Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make heart macarons. Line baking trays with templates and weigh ingredients precisely before starting. Whip egg whites to glossy peaks and fold in sifted almond flour gently until batter ribbons. Pipe heart shapes evenly, tap trays to release air, and rest shells until a slight skin forms. Bake at a moderate temperature and sandwich cooled shells with your favorite buttercream or ganache. For reliable heart macarons, start by weighing ingredients and choosing superfine almond flour to avoid grainy shells. Age egg whites to reduce moisture, which improves meringue stability and helps develop feet. When folding batter, stop at the ribbon stage so it flows slowly off the spatula, but holds shape. Rest piped hearts until they form a skin to prevent cracking during baking for perfectly smooth tops. Bake heart shells on a middle rack for even heat distribution, and watch for the telltale feet forming along the edges. Cool shells completely before pairing similarly sized halves, then pipe filling in a consistent swirl or ring to keep fillings neat. Chill assembled macarons overnight to allow flavors to meld and textures to set, which makes them taste and feel more authentic when you bite into that delicate shell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.